It was a calm night. There was no wind at all until the sunrise, and there was sunrise and the wind was coming in. And I'm in some, yeah, I'm just in there, and inside it was covered with dust. Have a look here. Here you see a little bit of the trousers and everything. Well, this is what happens, but all good. This is a rough road. Windy morning when I woke up this morning. Everything inside my tent was covered with like 1 millimeter of dust. It was like, yeah, it was a calm night. There was no wind at all until the sunrise, and there was sunrise and the wind was coming in. And I'm in some, yeah, I'm just in there, and inside it was covered with dust. Have a look here. Here you see a little bit of the trousers and everything. Well, this is what happens, but all good. I mean, it's dry dust. You just put the clothes out, and it's the wind will do the rest. Especially wondering how I gonna pitch it out of it without it gets blown to the other side of the planet. Let's see, it will work. So, I'm not in a hurry, so I got some time. No worries. Pass to a pass. It's unbelievable how the strong wind makes everything so complicated. Nothing is normal. Cannot pack up the tent or other stuff really. Just try to get as quickly everything together as possible and get my way out of here. My god, this is like really strong sand blasting. Okay, well, in the end I did it. It was a new experience again in the strongest winds. Stronger than Scotland, and now heading further to the southwest. Cheerio. Not easy to ride in the gravel with the strong side winds, so I take it slow. Again, filled up my tanks. Luckily the gas station had some gasoline for me. The next stint is going to be 260 kilometers to the southwest. There's some other bikers coming. 260 kilometers to the southwest, crossing over the continent to the Andes. A lot of wind. Let's see how long I'm in the mood today to ride with all those strong side winds. It's not a pleasure, but at least it's not cold. Okay, gonna go back on the road now. Everything's safe so far. Good. Last checkups as usual. Nah, everything is fine. The road again. And here we go. Nice. The wind could be cold, so it's warm. Could be always worse. Change of the battery, the camera, maybe the windshield of this hill here.
Get myself hurt, no matter what. I'm not giving up.
Fuck me, that's a lot of wind all day. Kilometers more and I have enough for the day, man. That's it. Fuck this shit.
Expectation, but there might
found a nice little campground and I'm camping in there. Here. There you go. Maybe it's not too much wind in here. Let's see. Good enough for one night. Although it's 2,000 pesos, so quite high for this area, but in the end 2,000 pesos are like 5 euros. I don't care today. 400 kilometers in this fucking wind, it's enough for me. Fuck that. Just came out of the campground, exploring, going to the river. Oh, it's muddy. Just want to have a look. Just want to have a look how it looks down here. Oh, nice, huh? Check out, there's the bridge we just saw. Beautiful. Looks nice. Yeah, gonna stay here for one night. It was a horrible wind today. It was never had it that strong. It was like almost too much. At full speed, it was times when the wind was coming towards me. At full speed, I could make barely 100 kilometers per hour, which usually is I can ride like 160. Incredible strong wind. But well, 400 kilometers done for the day. I wanted to make some distance, but all good. And pitching up my tent, having some dinner, sleeping, and tomorrow go to further crossing the continent over to El Calafate. Let's see if I take 1 day or maybe 2 days, depends on the winds, depends on the conditions. The weather should be fine though. Let's see if I go to El Calafate or just El Chaitén, because Calafate right now should be like expensive like Switzerland. I don't know. Let's see. Sleep over it and gonna decide tomorrow. I had no time to think about anything today while riding. I had to be at alarm all the time and in full concentration mode because there was gusting winds, so there was no time for my thoughts to fly and explore. Well, that's it. Have a good night. Buenas noches.